short speech about a very special day. I'll tell that very special day. But this day goes and comes every year, but most of the time we forget about this day and gives a blind eye to this day. I think you all got a hunch about what I'm going to say. Yes, I'm going to speak on Mother's Day. The day which we celebrate about our most important person in our life, our mother. Whenever we are talking about our mother, we won't have that much to tell about her. The main reason is because the word mother carries a meaning of a lifetime, and we won't be able to understand it because it takes more than a lifetime to understand her. From our birth to our childhood and even to our adulthood, she is the one who takes care of us, the divine symbol and figure of love, affection, and care. Even if you just ask somebody what your mother is, he won't be able to explain you. The only way is that you have to live up to her life to understand about her. She as a mother can be your doctor, your teacher, and even your mentor. She takes care of you. She is the figure of infinity that stretches out far and wide. No dictionary in this world can ever explain you or give you a word what your mother is. And from her birth, or when we are born, we start hurting her during our birth, and even during our childhood to our adulthood. Throughout our life, we hurt her, but still, she won't hurt us back, or she won't give us love back. She always loves us. I'm sure that barely few students wished your mother Happy Mother's Day yesterday, because on 14th of May, Mother's Day is celebrated. So, an advice to you is that in the time you remember your girlfriend's birthday, slap day, Valentine's Day, or gift day, just give some effort to remember Mother's Day and even your mother's birthday, and call her and give her a wish. Mom, I love you and Happy Mother's Day. So, at the end, I would like to end my